Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to change the battery of the Portronics Ruffpad 15 inches. Right, so actually there is no need for me to change the battery since it is working fine. Everything is good, erase button is working. But since most of you are asking how to change the battery, which is the battery that we need to purchase, so here I am. So at the back side, so you're going to find this battery slot here, or kind of a battery compartment. So you need to find a small screwdriver, something of this size, right? I hope this is visible to the screen. I'll just zoom in. Yeah, see, it has to be this small. So then just unscrew this. It's a tiny screw, so be careful as to not to lose it. Care, place this carefully aside and just gently pull this out. Whoops. Yeah. So over here, we're going to find two batteries. So they are CR2016. It is a 3-volt lithium-ion battery. I'll just bring it closer to the camera. Yeah. I hope this is visible now. It is CR2016 3-volt lithium-ion battery, and it has two numbers of it. One goes here and the one goes over here. Huh. I don't, yeah, like this. So you can find these batteries in Amazon itself. I'll leave a link to these batteries in the description down below, so you can purchase these batteries directly in case if you have to replace these batteries, right? So once you have replaced it, so make sure to keep the not the kind of plus symbol which you find it over here, right? Plus symbol should go downwards like this. Over here also you can see a plus symbol. So just make sure you keep the plus symbol downwards and just put it into its slot, right? I don't think you can go wrong here. It is pretty self-explanatory. And once you do that, just put this back. Yeah, like this. You will hear a nice click. And once you're done with it, just put the screw back in its place. Okay, so once you do that, everything should be working fine. Let's find out. As I have mentioned in my previous video as well, battery is not consumed for anything to write on the surface. Battery is used only to erase what is written on the surface. Voila, yeah, it is working fine now. So that was a quick video on how to change the battery on the Portronics Ruffpad 15 inches. I'm pretty sure the practice is going to remain the same when it comes to the other models of the Portronics writing pad. Okay, I think that's it for this video. If you have any kind of questions, just leave them down in the description below, or sorry, not in the description, in the comment section down below. In the description, you will find links on where to purchase this Portronics uh, Portronics Ruffpad, and also where to purchase those batteries that I was talking about. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel and share this video to someone who is looking to buy a nice and cheap writing pad. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you around. Thank you.